Ever wondered how many job openings Neon, that vibrant new tech company, actually has? You're not alone. The tech world is buzzing about them, and landing a role there seems like a dream come true. But with so much hype, it can be hard to know where to even begin. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about Neon's current hiring spree. Neon, with its focus on mentioned key areas like AI, sustainability, etc., is a company that's rapidly changing the game. They're attracting top talent from all over the globe, and their employee satisfaction scores are through the roof. But what does that mean for you? Are there actually any open positions waiting to be filled? Finding accurate and up-to-date information about job openings can be a real challenge. Company websites can be overwhelming, and sifting through endless job boards is time-consuming. But don't worry, we're here to cut through the noise and give you the inside scoop. Neon is known for its innovative and employee-centric approach to hiring. They prioritize skills and potential over traditional qualifications, making it a fantastic place for those who are passionate and eager to learn. But how exactly do they go about finding the best talent? Highlight potential avenues like their official careers page. This is the go-to source for all their current openings. You can filter by location, department, and even by keywords to find roles that match your interests. LinkedIn. Neon actively recruits on LinkedIn. Follow their company page and connect with their recruiters to stay updated on the latest opportunities. Job boards. While they may use popular job boards, their careers page is usually the most reliable source. Mention their hiring process. Is it fast-paced? What kind of interviews can you expect? Understanding their process can help you prepare effectively. Emphasize employee testimonials. Showcase what it's like to work at Neon through the eyes of their employees. This can give you valuable insights into their company culture and what it's like to work there. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How many vacancies does Neon actually have? Unfortunately, there's no single, definitive number. Here's why. Hiring is a dynamic process. Explain that the number of open positions constantly changes as roles are filled and new opportunities arise. Focus on finding the right roles, not just a number. Instead of obsessing over a specific number, concentrate on finding roles that align with your skills and career goals. Regularly check their careers page. The most accurate and up-to-date information will always be available directly on their website. Tips for your job search. Tailor your application. Carefully read the job description and tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight the specific skills and experiences they are looking for. Network within the company. Attend industry events, connect with Neon employees on LinkedIn, and leverage your existing network to learn more about the company and potential opportunities. Prepare for the interview process. Research common interview questions, practice your answers, and be ready to showcase your skills and enthusiasm. So, while we can't give you an exact number of vacancies, we can equip you with the tools and knowledge to successfully navigate your job search at Neon. Remember to regularly check their careers page, tailor your application, and network within the company. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.